Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to install Windows 11 in 2025 step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Search for Microsoft official website. Once it appears, click on Windows 11 Download. Then click on Create Windows 11 Installation Media or Download ISO and save the tool to your computer. Next, insert a USB with at least 8 GB of space. Open the media creation tool you downloaded. Select Create Installation Media for another PC. Choose your language, edition, and 64-bit architecture. Then select USB flash drive and let it create the installer. Now, restart your PC and press the boot menu key, usually F12, F2, or ESC, depending on your computer. From the menu, select your USB drive. Once setup starts, choose your language, time, and keyboard layout, then click Install Now. Enter your product key if you have one, or click I don't have a product key. After that, select Windows 11 Pro or Home, depending on your license. Next, choose the installation type. Select Custom. Install Windows Only, Advanced. Pick the drive where you want to install Windows 11. If you want a clean install, delete the old partitions and select Unallocated Space. Then click Next to begin the installation. Finally, complete the setup. Your PC will restart a few times. Follow the instructions on screen to set up your region, keyboard, and network. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create a local account. And that's it. Windows 11 should now be installed on your computer in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.